आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Guys, so in this video we'll find the possible values of p such that the equation px square is equal to ln x has exactly one solution. So let's start. The graph of ln x is something like this. It's an increasing function, and the graph and px square is a family of curves. This intersection point is 1, by the way. ln1 is 0. So px square is a family of curves which pass through the origin. So px square can be something like this. It can be something like this. Basically we have to choose a p such that it is tangent to the curve. It is tangent to the curve ln x at one point, and that one point will be our solution. Basically if we choose, like, let's say, let me draw this. So this black curve is the one we want, and if we choose a value more than that, so then the curves will have two solutions. So the red curve of px square has two solutions, the black curve has one solution, and the green and blue curve has no solution. So we have to find the black curve. So basically let's start. Let's say that the value, this value is alpha. So we can say that p of alpha square is equal to ln alpha. So now let's differentiate both sides. So we get 2px as the f dash x, and g dash x is equal to one by x. So we are saying that g dash x and p dash x, basically this is the curve gx and this is the curve p fx. So we are saying that g dash x is equal to f dash x. So basically 2px is equal to 1 by x, but x is equal to alpha, so we get the value of alpha to be 1 upon root 2p. This is the value of alpha which we have obtained. Obviously alpha is positive, so we put this value of alpha here. So we get p times alpha square is equal to ln alpha. So we put this value of alpha here. We get p times 1 by 2p is equal to ln 1 by root 2p, and this p gets cancelled and we take, so we get 1 by root 2p is equal to e to the power 1 by 2, or if now we can square and we get the value of p to be equal to 1 by 2e. So this is the only positive value for which we can get the value of for which we can get the situation we want. But let's say if p was negative, then the curves will be like this, and since in that case p of x will be a decreasing function and gx ln x is an increasing function and px square would be decreasing, so in that case the solution would only be 1. So we can say that the either p is less than 0 or p is equal to 1 upon 2e for these two fx and gx to have only one solution. In the next video we will discuss the continuous we'll discuss the increasing and decreasing functions. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।